Peace. This is Ira, digital marketing specialist, also specialist in some other areas and enthusiast in even more areas. Welcome to the third part of series of videos about settings in GA4 account and property. In third part, I'm talking about data stream creation and settings. Now we can move to data stream creating and settings from different places. Data streams, for example, in admin here or on left side here, using web because I want to show on the example of web. When you don't have any data stream, it can be even on main page. Here you see I can go from any place. If I already had data stream, I would start from admin. Let's show from here, choosing data streams. Platform, in my example, it's a web. My URL, my stream name. In URL, you can use my website URL as it's here, just copy paste. Valid URL. Why it says it's not valid? Maybe because of repeating this HTTPS. Let's try. Didn't say anything against that. Possibly it was because of this. Stream name. It depends on your business, on the structure of your analytics. In my example, I will just use the name I used in account, in the property, how I made them. You can see videos in this channel. And I would use same name for stream name, demo blog. Next step is creating. Let's try create and continue. After create and continue, I can see this thing. It asks me to put my code to track my website actions through this data stream. In my case, I would not use this. You can use it to put the code directly into your website code. In my case, I would not use this, not as an example, not as a real life. There are another ways to install this data stream, to link this data stream. I prefer Google Tag Manager, so I would link this data stream through Google Tag Manager. But it's not in this video, it's in further videos. Or video, maybe it will be in one video, I hope. Stay tuned. Let's try some show more options, B2C, CMS or website builder, and so on. I would just skip this step for now. Anyway, you have to link your data stream to your website to get data into Google Analytics for property through this data stream. So I'm skipping this for now, but it's needed just in another order. Yeah, we can see another picture. Let's see what it gives us. I can go to this page also through data streams. Admin. You remember I've pushed data streams and had to choose. But now I already have one. I'm choosing this and this page. Here, name, URL, stream ID, I don't know where I would use it. Measurement ID, I would use this later, not now, just to show. Here is warnings, is not active, and so on. I know that because I didn't link yet. I didn't link data stream yet. Let's try enhance measurement settings. It's by default it's switched on, but I want to make some tunings. As a best practice, I heard that form interactions are not good to set them from here from automatically enhanced. So here better to switch off them. But if you have forms that are important for you, that are important conversions, you need to track them. But it have to be set up manually. Others can be left to track through this enhanced measurement. I push save button. I would not show everything, but what I think more important or most important, redact data. Here by default it tries to redact emails or get more confidential data or not to exhibit data of your users. It can be switched off, it can be left as default. In my example, I would keep them as default. Except email, there are some other parameters, so you can put them through URL query parameters. For Google not to track a lot of your users or not to convey. This is important for data protection features, maybe even for regulations. In this case, depending on your business, depending on your legal areas, do your own research. In my example, I would keep as default. Thank you for watching. Main video will continue after this insert. English is not my native. If you see something to correct me, welcome, but do it in a respectful and polite manner and with enough explanations and proof. If you have several domains, you may need link them. They're here in configure your domains. One more time. From this place, we first go for tag settings to get more settings. And here, configure your domain. You can add your domains for what? For your own domains, if you use several domains for one data stream, for they not to be shown as different domains, as different referrals and so on, but for them to be counted as one. In my example, I would not use this, just to show. Thank you for watching the third part of series of videos about settings in GA4 account and property. Stay tuned for next part, where I am continuing talking about data stream settings. Make mutual respect, make mutual wealth. Peace.